In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Figma prototype to your Wix website. It's a straightforward process, but I'll walk you through each step to make sure you understand everything you need to do. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by heading over to figma.com. It's important to ensure you're logged into your account so you can access your designs. Once you're logged in, navigate to the specific design that you want to embed into your Wix site. When you have your design open, look towards the upper right corner of the screen and find the Share button. Click on it and you'll see an option to Get Embed Code. Select that and then click on Copy to copy the code to your clipboard. This code is essential as it will allow your Figma design to be shown on your Wix website. Now we'll head over to your Wix website editor. For those new to Wix, simply log into your account and navigate to the website you want to edit. Once inside the editor, look at the left-hand side for the Add Elements option. Click on it and you'll find an option called Embed Code. Under this menu, look for and select Embed HTML. This will prompt you to paste the HTML code. Here's where you'll paste the embed code you just copied from Figma. Make sure everything looks correct, then click Update to apply it. The embedded Figma prototype will now be part of your Wix site. However, to ensure everything appears the way you want, take a moment to check it out. In your Wix editor, there's a Preview button at the top. Click on it to see how your Figma design integrates into your website in its final form. This preview lets you experience the live version of your site, ensuring there are no unexpected glitches or design mishaps. And there you have it. That's how you add a Figma prototype to your Wix website. It's a simple process that can hugely benefit the visual and interactive aspects of your site. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks on design and website management. Whether you're a seasoned web designer or just starting out, knowing how to seamlessly integrate designs can be a game changer for your site's engagement and aesthetics. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.